our buddies at Target are selling, well, they were selling clam-flavored mayonnaise with a Cards Against Humanity pack, fully submerged inside.
What in the... All right.
Do you like clam stuff like that?
Yeah.
Like, have you ever had Clamato?
No, I don't know what that is.
It's clam juice and tomato juice together. It's like a thing. It's like they sell it in the store. It's like people make cocktails out of it, and some people drink it straight, like tomato juice or V8 juice.
I wouldn't be opposed to it.
That's interesting. Clam juice to me sounds repulsive, and this sounds repulsive, but it's probably great.
This sounds awful.
But the sad news is the update is sold out.
Of course.
But still, it's pretty funny that they had this, and the website is awesome. Let me get back to the top of this. Look at that girl flying across the screen. It's just so funny. There's all kinds of fun stuff. The clam pack has 30 Cards Against Humanity cards. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
It's pretty funny. And you can actually, Cards Against Humanity is funny because they'll sell you the set, or you can just go to their website and download it and print it.
I didn't realize that.
But they say people just want the convenience, so they'll just buy it. It's kind of funny. Anyway, so there's that is in there, and then here's the merch. There's like the tangy booty shorts.
Wow.
The clam jamas, the ocean tea. I don't know. There's some fun stuff on here.
Nice.
Well, certainly. Anyway, nothing to add to that except eat my clam. Anyway.